The aims of this paper are to investigate the behavior of reinforced concrete beams repaired with glass fiber reinforced polymers subjected to a cycle flexural test, to quantify the damage variable of preloaded reinforced concrete beams with different ultimate load ratios. The experimental program was executed with 4 beams. The first one was the reference beam that was loaded until its collapse. The other 3 beams were preloaded with a percentage of the collapse load repaired with the GFRP and then reloaded until their collapse. The damage variable was determined with the variation of the stiffness for each cycle, and with the displacement force curves was possible to obtain the damage variable at the center of the beam for all the 4 beams. Also was obtained the displacement force curves for the beam 1, the beam 2, and the beam 3. It was noted a similar bearing capacity for all the 3 beams, and the collapse mechanism shifted to shear, as shown in the cracks in the figure. Conclusions: the damage values vary between 0.5 and 0.57, the ultimate load was increased, and the collapse mechanism shifted to shear.